tormented. At the same time, we have expressed our grievances to the Intelligence Bureau, IB. At the same time, the Home Ministry regarding not to deploy the state forces. That is the commando. These guys are run by Tengol and Meitei militants. And we saw that the central forces are with these police commandos. We never had a trust, and we will never also will have a trust on the state forces, that is state commando. Knowingly, the Home Ministry had deployed the state commandos and the central forces in Moreh recently on the 30th of December 2023. And so there was firing during these days between the state forces commandos, the so-called commandos, that is these guys run by Tengol, backed by the Central Security Forces, against our Kukizo community volunteers. So I give a warning to the Home Ministry: if any casualty arises among the central forces, the responsibility will be solely up to the IB and the Home Ministry. Tua kon kien pien kha ei paun kon lezel dia kon lezwal dia. Tua Manipur Police Commando ichite kha commando tak hilo ahiu. Arambay Tengol to Meitei militants te ahiwa. Tua pien kha Center Security Forces ten kha hiai te to kitwa Moreh deployment anakoi ding kha anakipalo tua on koi non ahi zia ka tua sapa wa kon gen pien kha IB Intelligence Bureau to Home Ministry kya nga kana gen sao non koi te wa tu na tikap to anale o mahi ji ka gen na ya lam dar na ko in bangin leng gari la saklai mi pi la saklai activa to car tay hi en Meitei gal idaw lai na e sunga ong supai the ong ibale bang kon gen ke di social media ai ke le thuk le kon thuk ke di ngutuni na nong kilat la tu le no hai kilak zo di wa hi chi khamangil ke niu Meitei gal do iwa imi isate do i ke wa I thuk le I thuk ke di wa hi tunin hitan be kon thei hamut du te ya darna tu te to khamzena tu hiwa gari bangle kinon suk kinon to na ding hak sa pi hong kwan ngen hiu why zia gin hiai te ikiza tak di sak dingwa e ikiza tak kiule kwa man hon za tak lo dingu a hi chi ki thei thak niu Inna apatian kianga panpi na ingin bangun eito ikipan pi kele Meitei tien hon panpi ma lo dingu ahi chika ite dingwa why ziakin ginnane Christian ikiti tak le ilung simtong in kipanpi niu lau nei ke niu igalti lau ke niu himale sung kitat to ke niu happy takin pathian minin tuni na ITLF women wing convener kahina kon ngen ahi kagibakin